everyone, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul. It's been a while really since I've done some proper haul videos. I mean, I know I did a Pretty Gets Gritty in that, but this is quite a big one from Craft Stash, as I'm sure you'll know from the thumbnail. And I just want to get dived in because even though I only ordered it a few days ago, I literally can't remember what I ordered. Getting really bad at that. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right, so that's a big bag of goodies. So let's start. The first things are on top here. I just got some 6x6 envelopes. These are going to be for my wedding invitations. I'm not sure if I got them slightly too big, but because I can't remember if I needed 5x5 or 6x6, but who's going to care if the invitation is slightly too small. So I know I got a couple of those. So yes, we've got 2 of those. And then I also got 2 packs of the 6x6 cards and envelopes of white, and you get I don't know how many you go in here actually. I'm sure it was 50, but it doesn't actually say. No, it doesn't say, but I got 2 lots of those anyway, and it does say, it's just there. Gosh, honestly, if I had a brain, it'd be dangerous. And then they had a sale on loads of these dies, so I think it was you got 3 for £30 or something like that. Then the discount, and I'd actually got a discount code because I've not purchased from them for a while. They must have thought, well, what's going on? She's usually purchasing at least once or twice a month, and she's not purchased it for months. So they actually sent me a £10 code as well, so that was even better for me. So I've got loads of these dies really, because I feel like you can never have enough nestability dies, and I actually wanted some dies for to make some parts of my wedding invitation as well. So I'll just open this one up and we can see like which is the biggest die of all, because it does say that these are not to scale. All right, okay, so they are fairly big. I've just got a piece of card. I do apologise for the glare, but you can see they are really big, and you've got really small. So these was the ones I wanted for the wedding invitations, and I'm a bit concerned of how I'm actually going to store them, because I don't feel like the packaging is that great, to be honest. Just a piece of flimsy card, and it's not even like protected as in going in a pouch as such. So I'm not too sure about that, because I think even they're too big to go in my die box, if that makes sense. No, like the little box things. I've got some in this order in here so I can show you. So they was the notched edged supersized nestabilities. Sorry, throat's going very dry then. I'm not going to open them all up because you can kind of see what it's going to be like. And then we've got the notched edge supersized nestabilities and the octagons. So that was the squares, these are the octagons. And then we've just got huge squares. And then we've got a nested hexagon die set that's notched as well. And then we've got a stitched nestabilities in ovals and in octagons, and we've just got a plain hexagon, and then we've got the filigree border size, and I may even just use this instead of the other ones. I'm going to work out which one looks the best. And then I thought I'd doubled up, but I haven't. I got the hexagon in stitches, and the other one was an octagon. I don't understand why I got 2 very similar, but hey ho, that's me all over. And then because I am a VIP member, they have like this little VIP extra bit, something like where you get even more special offers, and they had these on special offers, which are the magnet shims, and you got 3 for the price of 2. And there's 4 in each, so that's 12 magnets. And then I also got these bundles, which I was desperate need because all mine are full now, so I needed some more of these books, these like binders, and these was on offer, and you got the actual pouches as well with that, and I got 2 lots of those. So although like this wasn't like the most exciting of hauls, it was still a good purchase, and I thought I'd share because obviously I do know like my videos are being very limited at the moment, and I do apologise, but hopefully once I've had my wedding and the honeymoons all out the way, I can then hopefully get back into doing the 2 videos a week, and I hope you all understand that. It's just, life's just a bit hectic at the moment, but I would like you if you would give me a thumbs up and please comment and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Love chatting to my subscribers and people who watch my videos, and also I'd like it if you carried on watching my videos if you're enjoying them and stuff. So without further ado, I am going to say goodbye, and thank you very much for watching if you've got this far, and hopefully I shall catch you in the next video soon. Bye.